Hey guys, what's going on? So, if you watched my previous videos, you know that I reviewed the Tasco 8mm, why do I keep saying millimeter? 8 megapixel trail cam. And now we have the Terra 12 Stream for $48.88, but I paid $38.88 because it was on sale at Walmart. 12 megapixel, 60 foot, less than a second. Alright, so this video is going to be a unboxing or just a setup video, and the next one is going to be a little bit more in depth of the video and photo quality, so stay tuned for that. Well, I'll tell you what, I want to keep this in the package, that's for sure, so people don't steal them. Wow. This one comes with a little bungee cord, I like that. Fairly decent. It's got a nice seal, lock and seal. So let's go ahead and throw some batteries in her. Oops. And this is going to be positive, positive, negative, negative, positive, negative, positive, and negative. Alright, there's the batteries. Don't get me wrong, this thing feels kind of cheap, just like the Tasco. Looks nicer, definitely feels cheap. Let's go ahead and get with these class 4 crappy SD cards. Always buy a class 10 memory card, guys. I bought these just because they were in the hunting section and kind of made the package deal a little bit more realistic. Class 10 are better memory cards, they provide better images, and they are just better quality. So, let's go ahead and insert that, power it on. So in here, so you can change the time and date. Now we're in the photos, so we can, oops. So we can do still, we can do video. So we can, oops, go there, change that, photo. Yeah. So we can go in, we can change, you know, if you want still image or if you want video. Honestly, the Tasco had a few more features. So let's go ahead and open up this menu just to see. I figured this one would have more features than that. Alright, let's see. So battery indicator. "30 seconds without any button press, LED will turn off." Okay. LED mode status. Status: during 30 seconds, the red light will illuminate when PIR event is triggered after LED blinks 2 or 3 seconds. Okay, so we got time, date. What else can you do? Press the navigation button while image is still. The highlight option will be blinking. So you can do still or video. You can change the date. It'll tell you date, moon phase, photo count, and time. You just bungee cord it. So should be rolling. So I can go ahead and come in here and I can change the date. 2020. Obviously that's not the date. One image. Tells you how many photos you have. And here we can come in here and we can, whoops. Go to still. We can just close it and forget about it. Set it up, let it go. it'll start taking pictures. So that's pretty simple, honestly. Not bad. Then we can just come here, hit that, and it'll light back up and tell us what's going on. So we can hold it and turn it off, or we can turn it on. And then the LCD screen will go off after so long. Not bad. So, you got this one, and you got this bulky thing. You can definitely tell the quality difference. Made out of the same plastic, but you know, a lot more went into molding this one, and the sight, and this one doesn't sound nowhere near as loud as this one. So, alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned, I will have some clips and capture video and sample of these two in action.